You can export a sketch from Onshape and then use it in SolidWorks. Here I am in a part studio in Onshape. I have a sketch that I want to bring into SolidWorks. Let me right mouse click and choose edit. And let me go to the front view. And so I like this and I don't want to recreate it from scratch. Hey, let's export it. Let me cancel out of the sketch modification. And then I will right click on the sketch in the feature list. Here we have the option to export as DXF DWG. I'll click on it. And then in the export dialog box, you can change the file name if you want. For the format, you can choose between DXF and DWG. I want DXF. For the version, let me choose something a little bit more recent than the default. And then you can change your units. For your storage options, right now it's set to download and store file in a new tab. You could choose to email with file download link or store file in a new tab. I just want to download it, so let me choose that option. Everything here looks good. Let me click the export button. And now I can see from my web browser that the download is complete. Here I am in a new session of SolidWorks. I have moved the DXF file into the folder that I'm working out of. To bring in that DXF, all I have to do is click on the Open command, and I'll click on it from the Welcome dialog box. And so let me navigate to where it is in my folder. Here it is, and then I will click on the Open button. And here we have the DXF DWG import dialog box, and the default option is to create a new SolidWorks drawing. I don't want to create a new drawing. I want to bring this into a part model. So I will choose the second option to import to a new part. And here we have the option to bring it in as a 2D sketch. There's also an option to bring it in as 3D curves or model, but I want to use it as a sketch. I want to use it for creating new features. But I want to make sure that I uncheck this option to import as reference. I want it to come in as real entities. So I will uncheck that, and then let's click on the next button. And then here we have the different layers that we could choose to bring in. You could choose all layers or selected layers. I don't really want to bring in any layers, but I don't feel like unchecking all these different options. So I will click on the next button. And then we have some other different options for merging points and overlapping entities and running the repair sketch. Hey, I know my sketch is fine. So I will click on the Finish button. And now let me click on the background of the screen. And so here we have our sketch. Right now we are in sketch mode. Everything is in blue. That means that I need to put some dimensions on it so everything is fully constrained. Well, I actually have the sketch here in the model. I can hit the check marks, get out of Sketcher, and you can see it in here. Right now it has the minus sign because it is under constraint. So let me right mouse click and then edit sketch, put me back into sketch mode. So now I can go about creating the different dimensions that I need. That's how you can bring in a sketch from Onshape into SolidWorks.